Hi, estate planning attorney Brian Barboza here, and today I'm going to discuss when is the best time to create an estate plan. Before we get started, if estate plan is something you want to talk more about or you're interested in pursuing, please feel free to give me a call, or you can go to my website, barbozalaw.com. You can book an appointment to meet with me for free through my website. All right, when is the best time to create an estate plan? Now, I get this question quite a bit. My answer is always the same. The best time to create an estate plan is now. And you're probably thinking, oh yeah, right, you're telling me that because you're an estate planning attorney. And in actuality, it is the truth. And so let me give you some reasons why it's better to create an estate plan now than waiting. Okay, the first one is you may pass away before you get around to doing it, right? None of us are guaranteed another minute, another hour, another day. Sorry to be morbid, but you may have all the best intentions of the world to create an estate plan, and unfortunately, you wait just a little too long, and your ticket gets punched. In other words, you die. And if that were to happen before you create an estate plan, now what will happen to your property is it has to go through what's called a probate. That's a court process, and the state of California and its laws determine who gets what of your property. And we call that intestate succession laws. So if you want to avoid that problem, you should do an estate plan now before you pass away, because once you pass away, it's too late. Another reason is, what if maybe you don't pass away, but something happens to you and you become incompetent or incapacitated? People are living longer and longer, but unfortunately with that comes things like Alzheimer's, severe dementia. And once you become to the point of not being competent or incompetent, where you can't actually create an estate plan under the law because competency is an issue, now it's too late. So yeah, you might still be alive, but you can no longer create an estate plan. And once again, when you pass away, your property would go through a probate, and it will be distributed according to the laws here in California under the California intestate succession laws. And that might not be the way or the manner in which you want your property to be dispersed. Now, another reason you don't want to wait to do an estate plan is estate plan is complicated. And by doing an estate plan now, as time goes by, as the laws change or your situation changes, you can amend your estate plan to maximize the benefit. So by doing it now and then establishing that relationship with an attorney every 3 to 5 years, especially if there's a life-altering or a major life event, you can revisit your estate plan. You can make the changes on an as-needed basis. So in that sense, it's better to do an estate plan now and then have it like a living document or a working document where you can, if you need to amend or make changes, you can do that, and they'll be effective. So those are some basic reasons why you would want to create an estate plan now. Now, one more reason is oftentimes, especially with married couples, they kind of think that, you know what, once one of us passes away, the other one will create an estate plan. Well, the problem with that is this. That person that survives may never get around to creating an estate plan. There's no guarantees. And if that were to happen, once again, your property is going through probate. So those are some very simplistic, to-the-point reasons why it's better to create an estate plan now, as opposed to waiting and rolling the dice, as I kind of mentioned. So if estate planning is something you're interested in talking more about or interested in doing, please give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com. I'd love to talk with you. As always, I hope this video was helpful, and I appreciate your time. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you.